Hi guys, welcome back to Amalgamated Moi. Recently, I created my own custom trading card game using only Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides. And today I'll show you how I did it by making a sample TCG. To begin, I made a spreadsheet of what cards I wanted to have in the game, including item cards, effect cards, and the fighter cards. I then made moves and actions for each of the cards to perform. These can be anything, and I find it fun to sometimes bring in coin flips or even dice rolls to add some risk to certain moves. I also like assigning typing to each of the cards, similarly to Pokemon. For this mock-up, I'm making a fighter, defender, supporter, and leader type cards. This can allow for certain moves to only affect certain types, or even allow for weaknesses. Once the spreadsheet is complete, it's time to start making the cards themselves. To do this, I open up Google Slides and make a template card, and then copy this slide for however many cards I need. After this, I type in the moves, names, HP, and any other information like typings that are needed for the card, along with adding in the image and color coding the cards so it's easy to identify the difference between an item, effect, or a fighter card. After the cards are made, I make a new spreadsheet and make a deck sheet to house all of the cards. Now this is the most boring part of the project. You get to download all of the cards from your Google Slides as JPEGs and then insert them into the spreadsheet. Now that all the cards are inserted, make a second sheet and create some kind of playable surface. This is where you will actually be playing the game. For mine, I like to have a bench of cards, along with an active card, and the stats for the active card, such as health and what effects they currently have applied. You can continue to add sheets as players' hands, so that not everyone's cards are visible. And once this is all done, it's time to make a rule set. Is there an energy system? How does damage work? How do you win? These are all questions you're going to have to answer in the rules. And I suggest creating order of operations to help orient yourself while working. I sometimes even paste this into the spreadsheet while playtesting, just because some games can get really confusing, especially if you make a game where more than just two people can play. Once your rules are set up, it's time to playtest. Find out, are there any incredibly broken moves, or if the rules need some tweaking. Or maybe you realized you didn't have a system for drawing cards, like I did, and add in all the things you feel are missing. Speaking of drawing cards, I use the Wheel of Names website to randomize card draws, if you want a quick system for that. Once all this is done, you have successfully made a TCG entirely in Google Sheets, Slides, and Docs. Remember that everything I have said are just suggestions. By no means does a Google Sheets TCG need an energy system or item cards or even health points. So make it your own. The only bounds you have are your own imagination and the patience to make it happen. I would highly recommend trying out this project. It really can get your brain working, trying to figure out answers to questions you never thought you'd ask. And if you don't know where to start, take inspiration from other TCGs. I, for one, took a lot of inspiration from Pokemon, as mentioned previously, and Vintage Beef's Hermitcraft TCG, both of which I find fairly simple to get some kind of grasp on and see what you want to try to emulate in your own game. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what kind of TCG game you would like to try to make, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!